Hi guys, how to build a product with me, Diane Hogarth, and we're going to do it in BStat Pro. I'm just going to explain to you what a PLR product is. PLR products are normally free to use or a very small investment. Sometimes you're the only one that can use it, and that's called personal use. You can have giveaway rights where you give them away and you can't sell them. I'm going to go through this with a product in IDPLR in just a moment. You can have resale rights, which means you can sell it to someone else, say her name's Diane. Master resale rights. Diane can sell it to David and you can change it, right? So you can change it, sell it, break it apart and add pictures, reorder the outline, but you can put some pieces in a document elsewhere. So you can use it in multiple places. So you read the terms. Now, I've opened IDPLR and I've chosen a product. And this is in the latest 100 products. But with all the niches, it's in the business of making money niche, but you don't have to do it in this one. You can do pets, diet and cooking, dating, computers, fitness, social media stuff, anything you like. But I've chosen this one. Now, I'm going to show you. When choosing a product inside any PLR website, you have to open it and look at the very bottom here. So this can be sold. It can be used for personal use. You can package this with other products. So that's good. You can check. Sometimes they come with sales letters. So you can modify the sales letter. It can be added into the paid membership websites. You can put your name on the sales letter. It can be offered as a bonus. And to build a list, you can print it. You can sell personal use rights and resale rights and translate it into other languages. You cannot change the products or the graphics. You can give it away for free. You can add it to free membership sites. You cannot sell master resale rights, and you cannot sell private label rights. So if you wanted to do this product, you'd have to use it as it is, okay? So for a beginner, that's really good. This costs $9.90. Let's have a look at the video thing. So this, if you do a checklist as a free gift on Twitter, which is now X, you can easily do that on ChatGPT. Then this little one could be sold at, say, $17. But what about the videos? These could be sold at $47, couldn't they? Don't you think? Again, it's probably the same conditions. So I'll just download it first and then I'll show you what you get. I've just downloaded them and they come as a zip file. So you open it and extract all. Just like that. So now we click on this and the guide is usually here. So this is your first product, guys, and you haven't even made it yourself. Let's have a look at it, because I haven't looked at this before. Okay. let's have a look. So if you like this, there's all the contents. Have a look at the, you have to read it yourself, okay? Sometimes you can add your own links in. So you have to be very careful. And if you see this, I would actually put another carriage return and redo the spacing, guys. Okay, so you get the gist. Let's have a look at the video one and we'll download. We'll have a look at the video one, video upgrade. I will unzip that one. It's as easy as that, guys. Extract all. So now let's have a look at the videos. So if you like this one.
Chapter 1, Introduction to X, Unlocking the Power of Social Media Marketing. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, social media platforms have become essential tools for businesses to connect with their audiences, build brand awareness.
So if you like this, guess what you can do, guys? Download all the videos, and that's it. What are you waiting for, guys? Go and choose your product. And I will see you on the next video. See you later, guys.